Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video for you guys. So I'm heading into New Kingston from DUNROBIN. So I just wanted to take you guys on the journey. First of all, guys, you know the drill by now. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free as well. It doesn't cost you. So if that subscribe button is red, just turn it gray and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video. So wherever you are in the video right now, just click that like button. It helps YouTube to spread the video to more people. And remember to comment. That's critically important. That helps the channel to grow as well. And remember to share. You know, somebody else may find the video very valuable. So really appreciate you guys sharing the video as well. So today is an all-day curfew day. So that's why the road is so empty. So if you're not an essential worker, you shouldn't be on the road. We see that left turn is West Kings House Road, and right now we're on Constant Spring Road. So the video started right on the DUNROBIN community basically. Alright guys, so this video and the channel Raymore Reviews is sponsored by Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So whatever your loan needs are, give them a check. So right now I'm on their website, krisandcharles.com. So that's KRISANCHARLES.com. Check them out. So they have all different type of loan: auto loan, EduPath loan, personal loan, house deposit loan, micro business loan, credit card refinancing, general expense, debt consolidation. So whatever the need is, guys, you definitely check them. You may not need a loan, but a friend or family may need it, so give them a referral, guys. So they have partnered with the channel. They have sponsored this video. They are showing the channel some love because of the awesome work we're doing, and we just showcase in Jamaica. So show them back some love. Follow them. Instagram will be in the link. Facebook will be in the link. Show them some love. Coming off the boulevard, and then we came on Constant Spring Road, and we're still on Constant Spring Road. Alright guys, so remember, you know, COVID's still a big thing, so remember to sanitize, 6 feet apart, you know, social distance, wear your mask, and if you're okay with the vaccine, you take the vaccine. So it's just a curfew drive for you guys, that's one. I know during curfew most persons are off the road and should be off the road. So I just wanted to show you guys a glimpse of, you know, the road look, so half a tree look. And again, if you're only if you're an essential worker like myself, that's the only reason you should be on the road. Alright guys, so enjoy the drive. You know, it kind of feels good with no traffic, to be honest. You know, roads like these in the morning, now it's around 9 o'clock, roads like these would be totally full of traffic. So it kind of feels good with no traffic at all. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think this all-day curfew is working. I know we're not a political channel and we stay away from political issues. But I think the big C, COVID, is affecting everyone. Let me know. What do you think about the all-day curfew? Because I guess why it was designed was to, you know, stem the movement of persons, to reduce the movement of persons, to try and slow the, you know, the big increase in numbers. So we're at the after 3 o'clock now. So as we see, the road is basically empty. A few security vehicles. Okay, no security have to go on. A few 1 and 2 pedestrian. Some mad people, as would refer to them as well, are homeless people. So those are some of the persons I'm spotting on the road. And I'm also seeing the JUTC bus running. That's the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, or public bus system. I'm wondering why they're running though, to be honest. Because if there's no one on the road, who are they picking up? I know some essential workers may not have their own vehicle, like say a nurse or, you know, even security guards. But I'm thinking, you know, for every different essential sector or essential worker in a different sector, I'm thinking that their industry should provide transportation. You know, say if it's Ministry of Health, they have buses. If it's the National Ministry of National Security, they have their buses as well. So that's a yellow bus just past us. Not a lot of them, to be honest, but they are on the road. But I think that's a waste of gas because they're literally running empty. I know they're gonna say it's to pick up essential people, but every essential sector, organization or company should really have their private transportation in place. That's what I think. Let me know what you guys think still, because I honestly see that as a waste of money. But let me know what you think in the comment section. So we're now on Half a Tree Road. That left turn coming up is Ruthven Road. And again, we're heading into New Kingston. I'm showing you guys a glimpse off the road, a glimpse of our all-day curfew look. And I know persons are being charged under the disaster risk management for, you know, breaking curfew and parties and stuff like that. But if you guys are watching, just, you know, try and, you know, as I would say, tough it out for now, to see if we can really get an handle on this COVID. It's not gonna finish tomorrow or next month, but you know, we need to stay alive. Alright guys, so we'll head into New Kingston now, so you guys definitely stay tuned. When it comes to fast food, you know, they are piloting the ENTS program in Portmore, you know, where fast food establishment and other food entity can register along with delivery persons and have food delivered throughout the curfew. But also in the corporate area, I guess they're secretly probably testing it as well, because, you know, selective, you know, 1 and 2 fast food restaurants like KFC, Pizza Hut, Domino's, that have a very good delivery system, as I'm seeing they're open as well. So they're not accepting any walk-in, so it's complete delivery that I'm seeing they're doing. So we just came off Dominica Drive. We're now on Knutsford Boulevard. We just passed the intersection of Barbados Avenue, and Knutsford Boulevard. We're now coming up to another intersection of Grenada Crescent and Knutsford Boulevard. So Yeah, so some fast food places are open. It's strictly delivery though, because I guess at the end of the day people have to eat, so if they make arrangements, I guess they make arrangements. So again guys, thanks for clicking on this video, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting, thanks for the support. So we'll make a U-turn right here, go back on Knutsford, and we'll have Tobago Avenue on the left. Alright guys, so see you on another video. So this was a drive from DUNROBIN onto Constant Spring Road, Halfway Tree Road into New Kingston. Just a morning drive and also highlighting, you know, our all day curfew lockdown looks. Alright guys, remember, leave your comment, let me know what you think. You know, share your input, share your thoughts. Let's start a discussion.